friends, this is the Cryptonian. Welcome back to my channel. This is Sunday today, and not much going on. We are seeing a little bit of a correction here, and this is really to be expected because the market was overheated, and but it's not really that big of a concern. Now, taking a look at the CoinGecko market, we do see that this pullback in Bitcoin has created a pullback in the market. We can see in the last 24 hours, most of the crypto market is having some kind of a pullback, is red in the last 24 hours. But we do have a lot of projects, a lot of coins that are still up for the week. And even Uniswap up 17% for the week. And so this is still good news for the greater crypto market. It's just a needed pullback. We've really needed this. So that being said, I'm not going to make this video too long. Not much is going on. We can see here on our newly created watch list, we can see that most of them are pulling back, and so this is giving us a good indication of what's going on in the market. We can see Ethereum down 1.5% today, Bitcoin 1.5, Ethereum 1.7% today, and Bitcoin 1.5% today. Matic down 3, almost 4%. IMX down 6%. Pyre Gaming down almost 4%. AVAX 4%. So we can see that all is red except for Illuvium. Illuvium is gaming, and Ronin is gaming. They're still up a few percent. So that being said, let's get into Bitcoin, the Bitcoin chart. The Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour, we can see that we were rejected here. And I talked to you in a previous video. I mentioned that this fall below the 100 moving average was a sign of weakness. And then we had a rejection here at 38,000, 38,400. And that is another sign of weakness. We were rejected at 38,000 here, rejected also again here, and we were rejected here. We made a run for it, but didn't even make it. So that's about 4 times we were rejected from this 38,400 area. And now we are seeing a red triangle, or excuse me, a yellow triangle. This yellow triangle is a early warning sign. This is a sign a sign of possible trend reversal. So we'll have to wait and see how all of this develops. Now, the support line for price action is here at 36,500. So as long as we're above 36,500, we should be okay. And most likely we will then put in a higher low and then go for another break of that $38,000 level. So although we see this yellow triangle, this doesn't mean that we will automatically reverse trend. This just means that it's a warning sign. It's an early sign. And with a lot of volatility, especially sideways consolidation, we can see these signals occur with sideways consolidation. So a green triangle would be a confirmation of a trend reversal, and that's really what we would have to look out for. But Bitcoin is still strong. We see Bitcoin here making higher lows and higher highs, and this is a sign of a strong uptrend. Now Bitcoin is in what's called a ascending triangle, or excuse me, ascending channel. These ascending channels are usually broken to the downside. They're bearish. And so if we break that 36,500 level, then that would be a confirmation of the break of that channel. But we would actually have to have a break of 35,800 to see the structure broken, right? We would have to take out this lower, we would have to make a lower low by taking out this previous low. And so that being said, as long as we're above 35,800, we should be fine. And of course, we're still above all of our moving averages. We're above our 100 moving average, which is at 36,200. So that's probably the place where we will test 36,000, 36,200 first. And then if we don't bounce there, then we probably will come down and retest this Fibonacci level and this previous low, which would be 35,800. And if that does not hold, then most likely we would come down and test the 200. That would be 34,900. And the point of control is 34,500. If we lose 34,500, then we can expect more selling pressure and probably a deeper correction. So, but that's we don't want to get ahead of ourselves. That's a little ways away. We do have a new week coming up. Today's Sunday, and we're still within this range of the uptrend. So we could see the price come down a little bit and then reverse and try again to break above that $38,000 level. The RSI here on the 4-hour is 44. We're below 50, so the RSI is showing weakness in price, and the price cycle is 60, and so that is also it's above 50, but it's getting weak. And so the EMA trend though still is bullish on the 4-hour, but we do see the volume index, the volume trend is showing distribution. Distribution is selling, and of course we can see that in the price action here. We are pulling back. The the volume index is at 70. If we do fall below 50, then that would be a concern, and that could mean that we are going to see some type of additional selling pressure. So that being said, we just have to wait and see what happens this week. Right now, we're experiencing a little bit of a correction, but we're well within the trend, and so the trend still is preserved. And but we do have to pay attention to these signals of weakness, which is this signal here where we lost the 100 moving average, and of course the rejection again at 38,000. So that being said, we will see what happens this week. Thank you for your time, friends, and of course I'll be releasing some other videos later as we become updated on the outlook throughout the week. So thank you for watching. Please click like, it helps the channel, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. We would love to have you on this crypto journey. I'm expecting a good 2024, and so let's see what happens. Thank you so much. See you next time.